Master these 10 skills to unlock your wealth potential. Tupac once said, "Get off your ass if you plan to be rich." While this advice holds some truth, achieving wealth isn't solely about taking action. Forbes reports that out of the 7.5 billion people in the world, only a little over 2,000 are billionaires. Becoming rich involves a combination of factors, but one common thread among these wealthy individuals is a set of learnable skills that anyone can acquire and apply. In today's video, I'll delve into 10 skills that can help unlock your potential for wealth. 1. Discipline. Starting with discipline is crucial because it forms the basis of developing other skills. Achieving significant accomplishments in life demands a certain level of discipline. It's not enough to have goals and plans, you also need the discipline to carry them out. Discipline involves doing whatever it takes to reach a set of goal. For instance, if your plan requires waking up at 5 a.m., you do it even if it's challenging. Discipline means pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and taking the necessary actions. Wanting wealth and success is admirable, but without the discipline to follow through on necessary tasks, it becomes ineffective. Developing discipline begins with small, intentional actions repeated consistently. For example, if you can't consistently wake up at a specific time and make your bed, you're already ahead of many people. Successful individuals use discipline to form habits that give them the willpower to do the work needed to reach their goals. 2. Patience. Achieving financial success requires a balance of patience and impatience. While good things take time, it's essential to be proactive in your actions and avoid shortcuts. Patience involves waiting for your efforts, determination, and persistence to yield results. It means sticking to your plans despite obstacles and failures until you see the desired outcome. Many so-called overnight successes are actually the result of years of hard work and discipline. Consider the Chinese bamboo tree. For 4 years, it seems like nothing is happening, but in the 5th year, it grows an astonishing 90 feet in just 6 weeks. One common mistake is giving up when a new venture faces setbacks without realizing that success often takes time. Impatient entrepreneurs may abandon their efforts too soon, seeking the next quick fix for wealth. It's crucial to understand that get-rich-quick schemes usually don't work and may only benefit someone else. Building wealth is a gradual process, and it's important not to underestimate the significance of small beginnings. Have faith that your efforts will bear fruit and multiply over time. Be patient in nurturing your endeavors and maintain the discipline needed for long-term success. 3. Continuous personal growth. The progress in various fields, especially in science and technology, is astonishing and would be hard for people from the past to comprehend. This advancement is driven by individuals who constantly strive to enhance existing ideas, always looking for ways to create something better. They not only seek to improve technology but also aim for personal growth. Consider the significant difference between the first iPhone and the current model, or the evolution of television. Companies understand that continuous improvement and innovation are essential for ongoing growth and success. It's crucial never to be satisfied with current knowledge because there's always more to learn. Remember that what you know will always be less than what you don't know. Adopting the Japanese Kaizen spirit of continuous improvement is key. This mindset is how successful people think, and it's a skill they have honed over the years. The idea is to never stop learning, as the moment we do, our progress may stagnate. Avoid hitting the pause button on self-improvement. Mastering the skill is vital for reaching the top of your field. 4. Embrace opportunities as they come. Google didn't stop at having the world's best search engine. They expanded by acquiring the Android operating system, capitalizing on the growing smartphone market. Similarly, Facebook recognized the potential of Instagram, acquiring the small startup in 2012 for a staggering $1 billion. Today, Instagram boasts over 1 billion monthly users and a market value of $100 billion. To make significant money, it's crucial to identify gaps and seize opportunities swiftly. The challenge is that opportunities often don't appear obvious. They may look like challenges, risks, or hard work. The human brain tends to fear the unknown and resist actions without guaranteed outcomes. Yet, to achieve exceptional things, taking chances is necessary, even if it involves the risk of failure, embarrassment, or injury. Being prepared for any outcome is key when taking chances. While there's the potential for failure, there's also the opportunity for massive success that can profoundly change your life. Constantly be alert and ready. Getting rich often involves recognizing and addressing problems on a large scale. Money-making opportunities are abundant, but it takes a trained mind to see them when others see only challenges. Developing this skill is particularly crucial on the journey to financial success. 5. Develop expertise in sales. The concept of selling often carries negative connotations associated with manipulation and unethical persuasion. However, selling doesn't have to be perceived that way. In reality, we've been engaged in selling since birth. For example, babies cry to persuade their mothers to feed them when hungry, and we've all convinced someone to be with us like a partner. Selling, at its core, is about highlighting the benefits of what you offer. It's a way of persuading others that what you provide is more valuable than the money or resources they would exchange for it. Whether it's politicians influencing people with their ideologies or charities seeking donations, selling is a method of motivating action. Mastering the skill of selling increases your chances of financial success. No matter how excellent your products or services, if you can't convince others of its value, financial success may be elusive. Learning to sell is a key factor in the journey to becoming wealthy. Number 6. Sacrifice. The value you assign to a cause often depends on what you're willing to sacrifice for it. For instance, would you forego a weekend of leisure with friends to work on your budding business? Many aspire to be prosperous and successful, but the true measure lies in the sacrifices made. What are you prepared to give up? What are you willing to let go of? The willingness to sacrifice is crucial for achieving specific goals. Being sacrificial is vital for meaningful progress. You must be ready to relinquish non-essential elements to make room for more important things or activities in your pursuit of wealth and success. 7. Reading. Research indicates that on average, millionaires read around 50 books in a year, while those with an average income read only about 3 books annually. The ability to stimulate the mind and the discipline to allocate dedicated time for reading are crucial factors in wealth accumulation. Reading serves as a means to absorb the collective knowledge of numerous wise individuals developed over their lifetimes in just a few hours. Reading allows you to gain insights without personally undergoing the struggles, failures, or experiences of others. As Otto von Bismarck noted, "Fools say that they learn by experience. I prefer to profit by others' experience." Books can enable you to benefit from others' experiences. They guide you, motivate you, and point you in the right direction to pursue your goals. However, it's not enough to simply consume information. Applying what you learn is essential to reap the full benefits of reading. 8. Develop skills for effective teamwork. The success of an individual is often made possible by a team working behind them. To achieve success and wealth, it's crucial to develop both leadership and teamwork skills. While a person walking alone may move quickly, someone walking with others can go much farther. Speed should not be confused with lasting success, as building something enduring often requires collaboration. Having a supportive team becomes especially important during challenging times when you may feel like giving up. They can serve as a reminder of your progress and the satisfaction that comes with completing the journey. This aspect is significant and shouldn't be underestimated. Just as a forest consists of various elements like shrubs and grasses, success often involves collaboration with others. It's essential to surround yourself with people who share a common vision for what you want to achieve. In the wild, lions hunt together in prides, and wolves collaborate as well. Rarely do individuals succeed entirely on their own. Seeking out like-minded individuals with whom you can work together is a key factor in the path to success. 9. Cultivate responsibility in managing finances and resources. Accountability is a crucial concept to carry with you on your journey to success. Large companies and corporations are known for their accountability, meticulously tracking their net worth down to the last cent. Similarly, it's essential for individuals to learn to account for their income and expenses. This practice enables you to identify and reduce unnecessary spending, leading to increased savings. The more accountable you are with your resources, the easier it becomes to manage them effectively. 10. Strengthen your creative abilities. Every millionaire envisioned themselves at the pinnacle of success before it became a reality. Training your imagination to visualize yourself at the top, reaching the finish line of your goals or dreams is essential. Success starts in the mind, and you must see yourself as successful. Cultivate a limitless imagination filled with endless possibilities, as it serves as the driving force propelling you to greater heights and unlimited potential. In conclusion, achieving wealth is a challenging journey, but it's not insurmountable. By acquiring the essential skills and knowledge, coupled with persistent hard work, you can set yourself on a path where financial success becomes attainable. That wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm and share it with friends. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you, and I look forward to the next one. Stash Cash signing off.